आजकल तुम ऑफलाइन रहने लगी हो। You started being offline these days. You started being offline these days. मुझे तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल फ़ोटो अच्छी लग रही है। I like your profile photo. I like your profile photo. मुझे तुम्हारी डीपी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है। I don't like your DP. I don't like your DP. अपनी डीपी बदल लो, यह अच्छी नहीं है। Change your DP, it's not a good one. Change your DP, it's not a good one. आपके पास मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है ना? You have my phone number, I hope. You have my phone number, I hope. क्या तुम कुछ कर रही हो? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? हाँ, मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ। Yes, I am doing some work. Yes, I am doing some work. चलो बाद में बात करते हैं। Let's talk later. Let's talk later. मुश्किल से ऑनलाइन आने का टाइम मिलता है। I hardly get time to come online. I hardly get time to come online. तुम कब फ्री हो जाओगे? When will you be free? When will you be free? मैं तुम्हें हमेशा ऑनलाइन देखता हूँ। I see you online all the time. I see you online all the time. तुम कब ऑनलाइन आओगी? When will you become online? When will you become online? तुम कब तक ऑनलाइन रहोगी? How long will you be online? How long will you be online? मेरा नेट खत्म हो गया है। I have run out of my data. I have run out of my data. क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? मैं आपको ईमेल भेजने ही वाला था। I was about to send you an email. I was about to send you an email. मैं आपको कॉल करने ही वाला था। I was about to call you. I was about to call you. मैं आपको मैसेज करने ही वाली थी। I was about to text you. I was about to text you. व्हाट्सएप पर अपनी लोकेशन शेयर करो। Share your location on WhatsApp. share your location on WhatsApp. मैसेज करने का आपका तरीका ही अलग है. Your way of texting is different. Your way of texting is different. खाना खाकर मुझसे बात करना. Text to me after having food. Text to me after having food. मुझे आज की तस्वीरें भेज देना. Send me today's pictures. Send me today's pictures. बाकी की फ़ोटो मैं बाद में भेज दूँगा. I will send rest of pictures later. I will send rest of pictures later. इस मैसेज को ग्रुप में भेज दो. Send this message to group. Send this message to group. यह तुमने क्या लिखा है? What have you written it? What have you written it? कृपया ऑनलाइन आ जाओ. Please come online. Please come online. मुझे तुम्हारी कुछ मदद चाहिए. I need your some help. I need your some help. मैंने आपको एक तस्वीर भेजी है. I sent you a pic. I sent you a pic. इसे स्टेटस पर लगा लो. Upload it on status. Upload it on status. तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? कुछ खास नहीं, तुम बताओ. Nothing special, you tell. Nothing special, you tell. तो फिर कल मूवी देखने चलते हैं. Then let's go for watch movie tomorrow. Then let's go for watch movie tomorrow. कल रविवार है. हम दोनों फ्री हैं. Tomorrow is Sunday. We both are free. Tomorrow is Sunday. We both are free. कुछ और बताओ अपने बारे में. Tell me something more about yourself. Tell me something more about yourself. आपने पूरा दिन क्या किया? What did you do all day? What did you do all day? तुम मुझे याद भी नहीं करते. You don't even miss me. You don't even miss me. आपको यह किसने कहा? Who told you this? Who told you this? किसी ने नहीं, मुझे पता है. No one, I know this. No one, I know this. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. There is nothing like this. There is nothing like this. ठीक है, कल बात करते हैं फिर. Okay, talk tomorrow then. Okay, talk tomorrow